Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PlayStation 5 in Safe Mode. Safe Mode is a special startup option that allows your console to run with only its most essential functions. This is incredibly useful for troubleshooting various issues, such as display problems or corrupted system software. You'll find several powerful options here to help resolve common console malfunctions and get your PlayStation 5 back on track. To enter Safe Mode, first ensure your PlayStation 5 is completely off. Hold the power button for about 3 seconds until it powers down. Next, press and hold the power button again, releasing it only after you hear a second beep, which usually takes around 7 seconds. Finally, connect your DualSense controller with a USB cable and press the PlayStation button to access the Safe Mode menu. Once in Safe Mode, you'll see several options. Restart PS5 is often the first step for minor glitches. Change video output helps resolve display issues by adjusting resolution or HDCP. Clear cache and rebuild database can significantly improve system performance and fix game-related problems. You can also update system software using a USB drive or the internet to ensure your console has the latest updates. For more persistent issues, restore default settings reverts your console's settings without deleting your precious game data. If all else fails, reset PS5 reinstall system software is a last resort, which will erase everything and reinstall the operating system. Remember, always back up your game saves and important data to cloud storage or a USB drive before performing a full system reset to prevent any data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.